Hello, Professor Darkia. This is my final project. This is the one I'm using. I had to do a few attempts for it to work. So I'm using the 2008 web server. And here is my final project. I can show you here the IIS. Showing this here, and I can also show you it was a bit difficult to get certain things to work, but I got it working. And here's this right here, the localhost, and here it shows the message for the IIS. Oops. I'm sorry. It's kind of hard to put everything in the box. And then here I also have what I showed earlier, the mason.edu. So my FTP was a little harder. I do have it here. I'm not sure why it wasn't here, but I can show you that I did make it. Here it is. And I refreshed it to see if it would work, but I apologize. I just couldn't get it to work, but it's here, and here's what I created. And then, hold on 1 second. And then you can also see my server name. Everything's done. I can show you that everything was changed here. My computer name, I made it all that. The domain, the local area, everything was pretty much done. I did have some issues with the Apache. I couldn't get that to work. I tried, but for some reason it just wouldn't run. And that is basically all I have for the project. Well, let me double check. I'm pretty sure that was all of it. Let me review some more. Yeah, because everything was downloaded, the IIS, DNS. I can show you that. The DNS was done. See, there's the 4 lookup zones. Everything's there. The IIS. Everything's there. It's my FTP site that I kind of struggled in. After that, I have everything else. Thank you so much. I enjoyed your class.